Hi friends, this is one of the questions the interviewer will ask. Find the mean key value. Mean key value means in the dictionary. In the dictionary, those key have minimum value. We need to find it. So how will find? First we'll debug and show you what is running. Then I will explain. So it's run. G is 4. So here it will the G4. Okay, we'll debug. So it's come debugger. Now it will start D. D it's came all the item, whatever item in present in the dictionary. Okay, and items will do what here. This item what will do. Now we'll say next step. See, uh, see what he did. He make one like a list tuple, list, and inside list of tuple. Okay. Now it will come one by one, and we'll check for all value. Those have minimum value, that is 4. Okay, that is 4. Why I'm seeing the 4? I will run and show you. So now it will check for all item A44, G4, K6, L88. Okay, and whatever the minimum value will match, that is the key is the minimum key value. So here we can say that G is a minimum key of the value 4. Okay, so what I did here, see here already I print mean val. I will run it show you how it is happening. So mean val is 4. Okay, here it's the mean val. See that this is the mean val from the dictionary, in the dictionary. Okay, of that mean value I am comparing with the items from the dictionary. Those are equal to the 4. If it is matching with 4, then it will give the then it will return the true, and that will be the answer. So here G4 is the answer. Okay, correct. Okay, thank you for watching.